Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here to share how I made this card here. And I used a die that I recently got from the CY Fun Design store from AliExpress. I actually just got 2 of these dies from this store here, TL Outsea store, and then this one. This is the one I'm gonna make the card with, but I did cut this one out to show you how it comes out. I was going to do it in different colors so I could see the different layers, so I might be back to show you that difference here. But yeah, let's get started. So I used some of these distress oxides. I used the biggest circle in my stitch nesting die set. And yeah, so stay tuned, we'll get started. I'll show you how I did it with the blending and cutting and all of that good stuff. So be right back. Okay, so here I was just using a misting spray just with water in it just to give some depth to the paper. I sprayed it a little too much on this one, but it'll still work. I show you the different, or I spray it on all the 5 panels that I made. So there, I just add the water, and then I'm just using the napkin to lift the water up so that it lifts the distress ink up off of the paper as well. Okay, so here I'm just, I cut my bases down to 5 1/4 by 4 1/2, I believe, something like that. A regular card base. But then I end up die cutting out of those. So these are the bases that I've die cut out of. I use them mostly for bases in my card making. So I was just showing you the pile that I was picking the ones that will work with this Hello Summer background, so it'll cover the cuts that were made into the paper. Okay gang, well, so I've made 5 cards, these 5 different cards. I just added some enamel dots that I've had in my stash from the Stamps of Life, and most of them just got 3 little dots or those pearls. I've got these water type drops, but those were the 5 cards. I hope you guys found it inspirational, and if you guys are looking for more inspiration, you can find more videos here. Till the next one, shakas!